Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Huanghe Zhang. I'm a PhD candidate from Mechanical Engineering Department. My advisor is Damiano Zannuto. Today, my topic is wireless in-shoe system for real-time gate estimation. So, quantitative gate analysis is a powerful tool that has been used in many fields. For example, the clinicians can use it to treat patients with movement disorders. The professional and the recreational runners also rely on the running gait to improve their performance and prevent injury. However, quantitative gait analysis requires specialized laboratory equipment such as optical motion capture system, treadmill instrumented with force plate, or other mapping system. So for this reason, the use of quantitative gait analysis is limited by the high operating cost and lack of portability. Therefore, the goal of this project is to develop a footwear-based system that can measure a rich set of kinetic and kinetic gait parameters both in walking and running. By adopting the machine learning algorithm developed in our lab, the accuracy of our system is higher than other existing portable devices which using affordable inertial sensor and pressure sensor. Here you can see this is our prototype. This is very lightweight, only 70 grams, and fully wireless, and it has very fast sampling frequency, 500 Hertz. So this prototype has been validated on more than 30 healthy subjects. The table here shows the error matrix of the spatial temporal gait parameters. The figure here shows the one kinetic gait parameter, central pressure trajectories in walking and running. The bar plots here show the accuracy of our system using linear model and machine learning models. So our prototype is a modular design, which means we can add additional sensor module with little effort. For example, we have integrated the hip sensor module and our system to estimate a dynamic margin of stability, which is very important for gait balance and injury prevention. We also integrate our system and a mobile robot to develop a robot companion to engage the elderly in walking exercise. So compared to other existing portable devices, our system can assess a rich set of gait parameters with higher or comparable accuracy. The application of this platform technology including clinical gait assessment for prevention in elderly, remote activity monitoring and classification, sports performance evaluation, and so on. The total global wearable technology sales in 2018 were $12 billion. And the footwear-based system belongs to this purple lines. So if we can share 1% of this target market, the price value of our product is about $55 million, assuming each shoe $250. We also talked to 3 companies who are interested in our technology, and our invention disclosure has been approved. Now we are trying to file a full patent application and try to find the funding to make the products. Thank you.
Compared with other systems in the market, do you have more devices, sensors, and hardware on your system, or this is apple-to-apple comparison?
Usually there are 2 types of sensors. So first, thank you for your question. There are 2 types of sensors. One is a pressure sensor, one is an inertial sensor. So for our system, we use the pressure sensor and inertial sensor, 2 types of sensor.
So can you comment on the cost then? What would that impact the cost of the?
You mean the price of our product compared to the, we use much cheaper inertial sensor than this other device use very affordable inertial sensor.
Have you thought of linking this into a personal area network with the launching that?
Sorry, you mean the central?
Personal area network. In other words, the sensor readings you got there are combined with sensor readings from your watch or from.
So as I mentioned, our system is a module design, right? In our lab, we also we also developed some the wrist sensor module and the hip sensor module. We can integrate to our system in very easy way. Then we can access get more.
And do you have smartphone apps associated with it?
Now we are trying to do, here we are trying to, we are also working on this Android application. That means all the data we are sent to your smartphone or other, yeah.
What would be the potential, and I think this is what Greg was trying to get to, what would be the potential to evolve your solution so that it could integrate with a Apple Watch or another smartphone app?
So you mean how do I combine our system to some existing commercial system, right?
Well, not to combine it, but to utilize readings from this, readings from that, to create a more intensive evaluation.
Okay, so because for our system we also have a Wi-Fi part, we can use Wi-Fi. We can send this data to this, like the smartphone or other Apple Watch, something like this, to give this product more accurate information. For example, your foot kinect or kinematic data, to help this product to achieve more accurate estimate or other things, something like this.
This seems to be a perfect candidate for using crowdfunding to fund the product. So have you ever think about using crowdfunding like Kickstarter to fund the development of this product?
So for now, when we validate our system, we have used some reference system. For example, we use instrumented walkway like this instrumented walkway here. So this product is created by this company, this Protocol Connect company. So they made this product. But this product is very expensive, like the 40,000 K, something like this. So they provide this reference for us to validate our system. They know this system is not the future. So this portable device will be the future of this field. So they are interested in our project. So maybe we can get some funding.
What is your power requirements on that there? Because when I hear that you go Wi-Fi and all of that one, and like with the sensor that you're using, you may actually need more power than the other one. So how long will battery last?
For this one, for now the battery inside this whole logic box is 1 hour. It can exist for 1 hour. But if we use much more powerful battery, expensive battery,
maybe they will make it heavier.
Yeah, it's a trade-off here. Yes.
Do you ever thought about putting something inside there which takes the pressure and convert it directly in energy that it's in charge itself? Because that would put you a novel feature inside there. And
you mean the pressure sensor, sorry?
Yeah, under the pressure sensor, convert the motion into energy. So it's recharging itself.
They've done that at CMU.
Yes, I thought like.
Yeah, for now, for the pressure sensor, we only use this to reconstruct. You can think we can reconstruct your foot plant or pressure map. But that's a very good question. Maybe in the future we can try to use this data to reconstruct your the energy or something like this.
Very nice. Great.